Hi everyone, welcome to our last lesson of the financial series. So this lesson, I'm going to show you how to create a static row level security. Let's get to it. So we want to create a static row level security by country so that each country manager will just have access to his or her own country, to the country he or she manages. So this is how this will work. So we'll go to, let me show you how it will work. So come to modeling. So where we create that static row level security by country, when we select one country, it filters this and limits that the actual to that country and the budget as well to that country. So we haven't worked with budget in this financial series. So in the all-in-one Power BI course, we have all those budgets and how to also derive some additional ratios like month-on-month differences, how to also show those in trends and all of that. They are all available in the course. So for this, let's quickly show this static row level security. So I come to manage rows in modeling, or for instance, you come here also, you come to modeling, manage rows. You can also access it here through this particular menu, manage rows. So you now create, click on create. So we have to create the rows one by one. So let's say we are creating a row for Asia. So come to the country, the country region. So add filter by country. So call this Asia, right? We save. So the row has now been created. Let me tell you how the row works. So as I said earlier, once we apply the filter in here, it goes filter this and return the numbers. Okay, let's go to test this row. We go to viewers, click on viewers. Let's view as Asia, for example. Click OK. So now we are all viewing as Asia. So everything here is Asia. You can see even the country dimension, it has taken it to Asia alone. So stop viewing. So to make this more, so instead of this, let me put regions here. Yeah, regions. Let me take this off. Let me put region there. So you can see that as it's dimensioning it by country, it's also dimensioning it by all the regions within that country. Okay, let's go to viewers. Let's view as Nigeria. Since we have almost all the regions, see Nigeria here, you can see the splits by region. So the country manager for Nigeria can also only see what is happening in Nigeria. The country manager cannot see what is happening in other countries. So that is how to create row level security. So when we publish this to our Power BI service, we will assign the rows to each user. So I know what you're thinking now, that is this not too hectic? Yeah, this is it. This is too hectic, especially when you have so many. Let's say you want to assign up to 200 rows, 300 rows. Will you be assigning it one by one like this? No, it's totally impossible. So that is why we have another one we call dynamic row level security. So that assigns row level security based on the username, of a particular user. But that is also available in our all-in-one Power BI course. You can also learn that in there, and you can also learn how to assign rows in Power BI service in our all-in-one Power BI course. So this brings us to the end of this financial series. I trust you enjoyed it, and I trust you've also learned how you can implement finances, of finance, how you can implement financials in your organization with Power BI, or in your personal business with Power BI. Yeah, this is very great, and I sincerely hope that you don't go back and start using Excel for financials anymore. Thank you for going through this series with me. Thank you for learning with me. See you next time. Thank you.